Hello vlog! This video is going to be a part 2, if you will, of the getting ready for Christmas vlog that I posted a bit ago, and I'm basically gonna tackle everything that I didn't do in that vlog. I also ended up with a Christmas tree. We were going through the Christmas box in my workplace and my manager found all the decoration very odd and outdated, and I somehow ended up bringing the Christmas tree that she didn't like back home. Didn't know what I was dealing with until I set it up yesterday. Don't get me wrong, it's a very ugly Christmas tree, okay, we get it. It's probably the worst thing that I've ever seen, but I have an idea and I think it has potential, so let me show you guys what we're dealing with. Here's the tree. It's not looking good, I know. It's also black. I literally had to push all the branches to the front so that it will look full. We need to fix this whole thing, and this is what I'm thinking. I got this fake snow from Poundland. The plan is to spray this on the tree. Yeah, we're gonna work on that in just a second, but you guys know me, I have a little mini haul. Let me quickly show you guys the things that I got yesterday. I had to go yet again to Wood Green. I checked B&M, Poundland, you know, all the shops, and I got a few very exciting things that I want to share with you all. The first one is this little sweater. It's like a cropped sweater with a little bow. It's also blue. I never ever wear blue. This is probably my second blue item thing that I got, and the first one is my blue crew neck from the Era store, which is just iconic. Really like this one. I don't know why, it made me think of Sabrina Carpenter as well. It's from this shop called Adax and I got it for £10. Such a steal. I'm really obsessed with it. Nothing too exciting, but I also ended up picking up a little black t-shirt. This was on sale for £3. So I was like, you're coming home with me. And here we are. Next, I need to share a few nail polishes with you guys. Honestly, how cute is this color? This is the nail polish that I went for. I talked about this brand in my last Christmassy vlog as well, but honestly, I'm super obsessed, and so of course I had to go back to the shop. I think it's called Body Care in the Wood Green shopping mall, and I ended up getting 3 more. So this is the first one, and then I also picked up this too. Moving on, I got quite a few candles that I want to share with you guys. The first 2 I got from Waitrose. The first one is this caramel latte that literally smells like coffee. I really love the packaging as well. Second one is called Sage Forest. It smells amazing. I've been really enjoying having a shower just with a lit candle on, no light, and this is gonna be perfect for that. I then picked up this cute little set from Lidl. These were either £3 or £4 and they're adorable. There's a chocolate and orange one, a winter punch one, and then a spiced cookie one. They smell incredible, and I think it's gonna be the perfect transition from fall to the holidays. I know it looks like I went a little candle crazy, but hear me out. I did not get a single candle for the full time because I could not find one in TK Maxx that I liked. I know that I went a little overboard, but I love candles and you best believe I'm gonna use them, so I got another one. This little guy is from Primark. It was £2.50. I love the packaging and it smells amazing as well. It's called Jupiter Berries and you need to go and try this because it smells just like Christmas. Okay, enough of me talking. We got a whole tree to fix and then hopefully decorate. We've got a few more gifts to wrap up, and then I also got a lot of Christmas cards to write, so let's get into it. I think my best shot is to bring the tree outside and spray it there. I have a feeling this fake snow is gonna make a mess, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of worried about what I'm wearing. I don't want anything bad to happen to this sweater. Finger crossed there won't be any damage. Also, I slept with braids yesterday, and this is the reason why I look like a little poodle right now, but what can you do? I got my 2 cans of fake snow. Now let's go outside and frost this baby up. It's looking pretty good already. Definitely better than before. 1.5 cans later, a lot of fake snow all over my clothes, all over my hair, and all over you guys as well. But I think we did it. I would for sure not recommend doing this inside, but also doing it outside if it's slightly windy. Just be prepared, because things gets everywhere. I wanted to vlog a bit more and like do a little like time lapse, but as soon as I saw little dots of snow getting on my camera, I was like, nope, not doing that. So I'm just gonna show you the result instead. So here we have it. I mean, I think it looks way better, and more importantly, it's no longer black. I definitely should have left the tree outside to dry, but I got a little too impatient, so I brought it in, made a mess everywhere, and finally realized I should let it do its thing before I decorate it. So I'm gonna make a little matcha in the meantime. I got this from Lidl during their Asia week, and I'm actually really liking this. I'm not too familiar with like making matcha at home, so if I do this wrong, definitely let me know your tips in the comments. I tried the maple and cinnamon combination yesterday, but didn't really like it. I think so far strawberry is my favorite, so I think that's the one we're gonna do. I mean, this is probably how much I usually put in. I need to get a better strawberry syrup because the ones that I have is not very good. Now that the milk is frothed, we're gonna add the ice and then the matcha. How pretty is that? I almost don't want to mix it because it's so cute. Cheers! This is pretty good. If you guys saw my last vlog, you know that we didn't get around to pack these Christmas box. I got something for my boyfriend that's kind of digital, and so I didn't know how to pack it until now. I'm gonna put a ton of these confetti thingy that I shredded at work inside, and then I got this cute little thing from Amazon. It's a little golden ticket. The quality is so good. You basically write a secret message in here, and then you put one of the scratch label on top. This is gonna be perfect. Okay, so now we put the scratch part on. I'm a bit scared because you can kind of see it without scratching it. I'm gonna put this little pick in the envelope as well, so he has something to scratch it off with. Okay, here's my box. I'm gonna put the envelope at the bottom and this at the top. I mean, let's just sum this whole thing in. All ready to be opened on Christmas. We finished this one off with a little bow. I think that looks adorable. You guys saw me wrapping this one up. Could not finish it because I ran out of ribbon, but I got a new one. Here we go. Super cute. Honestly, the tree on the background looks kind of good. As you guys know, a Christmas tradition that I really like is stocking, and we did them last year, and of course I'm gonna do them this year. So I thought the next thing we could tackle is my boyfriend's stocking. I'm pretty sure I'm all set. I don't think I need to get anything else for his stocking. Let me share with you guys some of the things that I got, and then we're gonna pack this up. To starters, this is straight up hilarious. He always talks about how he needs to get back to the gym, and he also spends a lot of time in the loo doing his business, so I don't know, I had to get this one. It'll be a fun inside joke. Next up, I got this mug. He's in the run to get a promotion at work, and so if everything goes according to plan, I'm gonna put this mug in a stocking. If by any chance things end up sideways, I'm gonna have to return it. I think I still have a few days left of my return window, so hopefully he will know the result by then. Then next up, I got a few trial sets from Instagram ads. One of them is from Aries and the other one is from Luminex, I believe. Kind of butchered the name, it's actually Lumin, but yeah, I got a bunch of skincare products for him, which I know you're all gonna laugh, but he always complains about his under eyes, and so I'm like, I got you. And then from Harry's, I got a little razor and these two guys as well. Again, these were a trial pack, and so you only had to pay for shipping, but I'm not gonna lie, quality wise I'm actually quite impressed. I think I showed you guys this teddy bear already. This is super cute. It's also pretty on brand because I do have him saved as teddy bear on my phone. Let's put everything inside the stocking now. Not gonna lie, this is so full. Pretty good. I'm low-key also gonna put these in my own stocking. That makes me so happy. I love being on top of my stuff. Let's move on to this guy. I've got a few ornaments in this box from last year. Of course, we're gonna put this guy back on the tree. Okay, so I got this cute little one. Then we have a bunch of bows. Key of the Kingdom. These are so cute. A little mini stocking. And here's our Christmas lights as well. I think we're gonna start these. They seem to be working just fine. I'm definitely not good at putting Christmas lights up, and usually it takes me ages, so I'll see you guys when they're up. Here we have it. Honestly, not too bad. I got these very pretty red berries type of thing, which I think I could do something with. And also these golden leaves. You guys know that I used this last year as well. I'm thinking we can maybe add these to the tree somehow. Guys, I totally got carried away with the DIYing and I didn't really show you what I was doing, but saying that we made some progress is definitely saying too little. So let me show you guys how the tree looks now. Ta-da! Isn't she gorgeous? I've added these little berries all around, the gold leaves as well, and of course a giant bow at the top. I think this looks stunning. Does anyone remember what we started with? Because this definitely doesn't look like it. I kind of really like how the tree is looking like bare, but I've got some ornaments from BMM yesterday. I've got these big ones and then I also picked up some smaller ones. I really hate this little string. I'm thinking about replacing all of them with this clear string, but that's gonna take ages, so do I really want to do it? I honestly think having big and small ornaments is the way to go. It's definitely coming together pretty nicely. By the way, I just realized I've never showed you guys this bag. I got it from Poundland and it came with this very ugly green ribbon, and so I swapped it for these very pretty red ones. These look so cute. I'm kind of sad that you won't see it under my Christmas tree for long. We're bringing these to Italy and then put the Christmas gift for my brother and sister-in-law inside. It's a few hours later. The idea of using the invisible string was good, but also super time consuming. I'm finally done with the tree. It looks so good. If we think about where we started and where we are now, I'm pretty happy with it. The fake snow though is definitely leaving a mess everywhere, which I did have a feeling about, but you know, it's too late to go back. I'm honestly pretty happy on where we landed, not only with the tree but also with the old Christmas gift cards extravaganza. I finished up all my Christmas cards and I also started these little mug DIY. I started to paint it. I think it's gonna turn out so cute. Probably gonna ship it to my mom because I think she's gonna really love it. That's where we're at for today. I'm so excited to finally have my Christmas shit together. I know that I do have time. Like I said in my previous vlog at the beginning of December, we'll have a lot of things going on back to back. We're going to Italy for my sister-in-law birthday party, and then my best friend is gonna come a few days after. We'll be back from the Italy trip, so yeah, I wanted to be ready. I didn't want to stress out, and I think we achieved that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about these tree transformation. I think I've done a pretty good job, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!